Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so you don't chase ghosts. Make sure Outlook and Windows or Mac OS are updated. Outdated clients cause protocol mismatches. Next, sign in to confirm credentials are valid and inspect mailbox size. Full mailboxes block sync. Once done, test network connectivity and disable VPN or proxy briefly to rule out routing issues. These steps remove common blockers and prepare you for deeper fixes, so don't skip them before moving on. Now you'll address account level and mailbox data faults. Start with Outlook's repair account or remove and re-add the profile. This refreshes auto-discover and server endpoints. If local data is suspect, run Scampst. EXE for PSDs or use the support and recovery assistant to detect configuration faults. Once scans finish, recreate the offline OSD file or clear cached mode so Outlook rebuilds indexes. If sync still falters, confirm you're on Exchange or a map. Finish by validating server-side conditions and isolating the fault. Check Exchange or provider status pages and review mailbox rules. Complex rules or heavy forwarding can stall sync. Next, open webmail and try another device to determine whether the issue is client-specific. If the problem persists, enable logging in Outlook, export connection and sync logs, and gather account diagnostics. Then escalate with collected logs to your admin or Microsoft support. Troubleshooting with evidence speeds resolution and avoids repeating steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.